I first decided to write Prove Yourself in 2014. And I actually took my family to my hometown, Buff Bay, Portland, Jamaica. And we went up to Port Antonio and rented a house for Thanksgiving. I wanted to be back in the world that I grew up in, that I was going to write about. And so we rented a home near Blue Lagoon in Port Antonio. And over those few days, I think we were there for about 4 or 5 days. My family was there, the kids were there. And I would spend time periodically with the family. And in view of the family and the beautiful ocean, and in that setting, I just started writing furiously.